Namaste. Welcome to fortnightly news edition of Vidyashri High School. I am Shaurya from grade 8. Let us look at the campus events starting from 1st August to 15th August. To start with, Kindergarten had a fun Friday to which our tiny tots had great fun while learning different concepts. In nursery, a sensorial activity of identifying the colors was held. The little ones who wonder at the colors of rainbow get to identify colors of different objects like balloons, balls and play materials. Prep 1 had a language activity of identifying Kannada letters. Children were given one letter each and they were asked to step into the circle where a similar letter and related picture were placed. A math activity was also held in which kids had fun identifying the numbers ranging from 1 to 20. Math activity was held in Prep 2. An activity to match the numbers to its name was conducted. It focuses on improving both numerical and linguistic skills. To begin with, language activity of using blends was conducted, in which our little stars were divided into small groups and given one blend word to read and identify the blend words. Moving on to the primary section, grade 1 had an EVS activity, types of family. The relationship between family members was clearly portrayed through a role play by the students of grade 1A and B. Kannada language activity of identifying the numbers in Kannada was conducted for grade 1. Kids had lots of fun running around the Kannada numbers to identify them. In grade 2, seasons, a topic from EVS was taken up for the activity. The role play performed by the students highlighted the different types of seasons. They could relate to the types of clothes and food they eat during these seasons. Social studies activity on dances of India was held for grade 3. An insight into our cultural heritage and increased knowledge of classical dance forms of India was made possible through Epic and Speak activity. A very special activity was conducted for grade 4. An activity that not only satisfied their taste buds but also enhanced their vocabulary related to the ingredients used to make tasty sandwiches. The point to be noted here is activity was in Hindi language. When people rebel, a seminar was conducted to understand why people rebel. References to the past and present incidents which made concept clear for grade 8. Along with the social science activity, Model Parliament was held, which involved students to understand the composition and functioning of the parliament in a democracy like us. Who knows, there may be a budding politician among them. A quiz program, Wild Wisdom Global Challenge, was conducted. The topic was the reptiles, in which students from grade 6 to 9 had participated. 30 selected students will be moving into the next level of the quiz program. Now, my friend Hima will take you through the rest of the campus news. Namaste.
Thank you, Shaurya. Namaste, everyone. I am Hima from grade 8B. Apart from all the classroom activities, we had a great fun while we were preparing and celebrating our Independence Day. Our preparation started with the rehearsals of the activities which were displayed on 15th August. Children from grade 5 to grade 10 were involved for the celebrations. The primary children were not left behind. We had a couple of activities being conducted during the course of times like listening activity, reading activity and storytelling. Competitions like national flag decoration and Rakhi making was held to encourage the spirit of nationality and the love for their siblings. On 13 August, Har Ghar Tiranga, an initiative by the central government, was observed by displaying our national flag in the campus. Along with this, we encouraged our fellow students to be a part of this program by hosting the tricolor flag in their homes. On 14th August, as a part of the Partition Horror Day, Social Science Department had organized a couple of role plays related to the partition of East and West Pakistan. The after and before effects of the partition was displayed in detailed narration. 15th August, what a gratified feeling. It's the 78th Independence Day celebration of our country. We are living a peaceful life now just because of the sacrifice made by our great freedom fighters. In the freedom movement, we at Vidyashri High School had a great privilege of celebrating this day in our campus. Srimati Indira Achyuta Rao and Shri Achyuta Rao chaired the occasion as the chief guest. along with our own chairman, Shri Krishnamurthy B.R. Sir, Administrator, Srimati Jayanti Paniraj Ma'am, Principal Srimati Manjula Krishnamurthy Ma'am, and our own medical counselor, Dr. Nityanand, presided over the function. The festive occasion of our 78th Independence Day was meticulously planned. The guests arrived on time. The celebration took off with hoisting of our national flag, followed by national anthem and flag song sung with lots of love and sense of patriotism. The march past portrayed discipline and sense of rhythm. This was followed by guest introduction and a galore of colorful displays, speeches and dances to showcase their love for the country. Our guest Srimati Indira Achyuta Rao spoke and expressed her gratitude towards the school and the way the Independence Day program was organized. The event concluded with our chairman's note and a vote of thanks. That's all for this fortnight. Thank you for watching. Remember to check our website and follow us on social media for more updates. Have a great day ahead. This is Hima signing off from Vidyashri High School.